Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to prepare for you an old-fashioned recipe. This is a gingerbread recipe. My mother used to make gingerbread cookies for us when we were growing up. So what I have done, I have developed a keto gingerbread recipe. So if you're interested in learning how to make my muffin, these are keto. These gingerbread muffins are delicious. Keep watching. In this bowl here, I have 1 cup of almond flour. I have 3/4 cup of sugar, erythritol sugar. I have 2 tablespoons of oat fiber and 2 tablespoons of coconut flour in this bowl. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add a little salt, pinch of salt in there. And I will be adding some stevia drops in the mix in a little bit. But right now I'm just gonna go ahead and mix this up really well. Okay, mix this up. Okay, I'll add a 1/2 teaspoon of cloves to the mix here. 1/2 teaspoon of allspice, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. And I don't have dried ginger, so what I'm gonna do is use a fresh ginger in here. I'm gonna put it in my garlic presser so I can get the juice from it. But I don't have the dried ginger, but you can use the regular fresh ginger if you like. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add 3 eggs. This is a really good recipe if you don't want to make the gingerbread cookies. This is faster to make, and we all want to get things that are faster to make in the kitchen. I just added some vanilla flavor to the bowl. Just added, I'm adding some vanilla flavor to the bowl. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm sorry, that was not olive oil, that was avocado oil. Avocado oil. That's what I just added, not olive oil. Okay, instead of using my garlic presser, I decided to use my juicer to juice this ginger. Okay, I think that's about all I can get out of there. There it is. It's my juicer. Let me try it 1 more time. Oh, that's good. Okay, now I'm gonna add my 10 drops of stevia. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm gonna mix it up again. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add my, I'm gonna spray my muffin mold with some coconut oil. Now I'm gonna go ahead and place the batter in the pan here, in the muffin pan. muffin. Place them in a 350-degree oven for 25 minutes.
Rating from Where's iPhone.
Smells so good in here. Let me try one. Ooh, smell like Christmas in here. Oh, this gingerbread. See how they are really hot. Let me get a knife and cut it open. Oh, it's so nice and moist. Let me taste it. Hot. Remind me of a gingerbread cookie, but it's a gingerbread muffin. It is delicious.
Playing from Where's iPhone.
If you like this video, like, comment, share, subscribe. Not so much in that order, but do what you need to do to keep watching Betty's cooking channel. So have a Merry Christmas, okay? And a Happy New Year's.